Good morning, all of you. My previous topic was structure of benzene, preparation of benzene. How would you prepare benzene from acetylene? How would you prepare benzene from phenol? You already know that. I have also discussed about chlorination of benzene. How would you chlorinate it of benzene? I have already discussed. What is this? When benzene is treated with chlorine in presence of diffuse sunlight and iron powder, then hydrogen atom of benzene is replaced by chlorine atom and to get chlorobenzene. This reaction is called chlorination of benzene. Okay. Now my topic was is nitration. Okay. The nitration. What is nitration? Nitration means nitro group, NO2 group enters in the benzene ring. Okay, and this is benzene ring. That is benzene ring. Okay, benzene ring, and nitro group enters in this benzene ring. Suppose this is a nitro group. When NO2 group enters, when benzene is treated with concentrate HNO3 plus concentrate H2SO4. Okay, this is known as nitrating agent. A concentrate HNO3 plus concentrate H2SO4 is known as nitrating agent. Nitrating agent. Suppose short question আসতে পারে, multiple choice questions. Write down the formula of nitrating agent. Then this concentrate HNO3, concentrate nitric acid, and concentrate H2SO4, concentrate sulfuric acid is known as nitrating agent. তাহলে when now let's see when benzene is treated with nitrating agent, or when benzene is treated with concentrate HNO3 and concentrate H2SO4, then NO2 groups enters in the benzene ring and produced nitrobenzene. Okay, then NO2 groups enter in the benzene ring and that compound is called nitrobenzene. Okay. Now what is the reaction? When benzene is treated with concentrate HNO3 and concentrate H2SO4, then NO2 groups enters in the benzene ring and formed nitrobenzene. This reaction 50 to 60 degree centigrade. This reaction is known as nitration. Okay, এখানে 50 to 60 degree centigrade you must write 50 to 60 degree centigrade temperature. Okay, now when benzene is treated with nitrating agent or concentrate HNO3 and H2SO4 at 50 to 60 degree centigrade, then NO2 groups enters in the benzene ring to get nitrobenzene. This reaction is known as nitration. Okay, now the topic is sulphonation. Sulphonation means sulfonyl groups enters in the benzene ring. Okay, now let's see when benzene is treated or heated with concentrate H2SO4, only concentrate sulfuric acid at 80 degree centigrade, then sulfonyl groups enters in the benzene ring SO3H to get benzene sulfonic acid. This compound is known as benzene sulfonic acid. Okay, now sulphonation. What is sulphonation? When benzene is treated or heated with concentrate H2SO4 at 80 degree centigrade, okay, then benzene sulfonic acid is formed. This reaction is called sulphonation. Sulphonation means sulfonyl groups enters in the benzene ring. Nitration means nitro groups enter in the benzene ring. Chlorination means chlorine enters in the benzene ring. When chlorine enters in the benzene ring, then that compound is known as chlorobenzene. When NO2 enters in the benzene ring, that compound is known as nitrobenzene. When sulfonyl groups enters in the benzene ring, then that compound is known as benzene sulfonic acid. Okay. Now the important reactions of this topic is Friedel-Crafts reaction. It is very very important reactions for all kind of chemistry, for all kind of organic chemistry. It is very important reactions, that is called Friedel-Crafts reaction. These reactions are of two types: Friedel-Crafts alkylations and Friedel-Crafts acylations. Okay. Now I will discuss how what is Friedel-Crafts alkylation and Friedel-Crafts acylation. Now Friedel-Crafts reaction, Friedel FC reactions. Okay, Friedel-Crafts reaction. This is two types. One is one Friedel-Crafts alkylation. Friedel-Crafts alkylation means alkyl groups. Okay, alkyl groups R equals to R may be CH3, or R equals to maybe C2H5 ethyl, or R equals to maybe C3H7 profile, okay, etc. Now when alkyl groups, Friedel-Crafts alkylation means when alkyl groups enters in the benzene ring, then that reaction is Friedel-Crafts alkylation. Now what is Friedel-Crafts alkylation? When benzene is treated with alkyl halide R X means X is equal to maybe Cl, maybe Br, maybe I, okay, or R equals to maybe methyl, maybe ethyl, maybe propyl. Now if we put R equals to CH3 and X equals to suppose iodine, then that compound is known as methyl iodide. This is methyl, it is iodide, methyl iodide, it is benzene. Now benzene, when benzene is treated with methyl iodide in presence of Lewis acid one catalyst, aluminum anhydrous 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 aluminum chloride AlCl3 catalyst হিসাবে ব্যবহার করা হয়. It is used as a catalyst. When benzene is treated with alkyl halide or methyl iodide in presence of anhydrous aluminum chloride, then alkyl groups enters in the benzene ring. Which one is alkyl group? This one is alkyl group. This alkyl groups enters in the benzene ring. Now CH3 attached with benzene, okay, and we get methyl benzene. What is its name? Methyl, its name is benzene, then that compound is known as methyl benzene, or its general name is toluene, TOLUENE, okay. Now Friedel-Crafts alkylation means alkyl groups enters in the benzene ring, that is methyl benzene. Or if suppose if I put instead of CH3 I put C2H5, then what product we obtain? If I take this reagent C2H5i ethyl iodide, then the product is, and it is another reactant is benzene. When benzene is react with ethyl iodide, then ethyl groups enters in the benzene ring and we get ethyl benzene, okay. If C3H7 take, then we get propyl benzene, C3H7, okay. Now this is Friedel-Crafts alkylation. Alkylation means alkyl groups enters in the benzene ring. Now second reaction, Friedel-Crafts acylation, ACYLATION, acylation. What is acyl groups? Acyl groups means that is CH3COO. This group is known as acyl group, okay, acyl group. Now when benzene is treated with acyl halide, এর ক্ষেত্রে কি হলো, অ্যালকাইল হ্যালাইড Friedel-Crafts acylation এর ক্ষেত্রে, for this reaction Friedel-Crafts acylation, benzene is treated with acyl halide or acyl iodide CH3C double bond O I. When benzene is treated with acyl iodide in presence of AlCl3 as a catalyst, we then this one is known as key. What? Acyl group. It is known as acetyl iodide or acyl iodide. Then acyl groups enters in the benzene ring and we get acyl benzene or we get C double bond O CH3. Okay, this one is known as acyl benzene or its general name is acetophenone. Suppose if the reactions may be suppose the reaction, the question from this topic is this is this one. Okay, now write down the product. What is the product? Then what? You know, this reaction is Friedel-Crafts alkylation. Here this one is alkyl groups, okay, ethyl groups, and ethyl groups enters in the benzene ring. Then the product is what? Ethyl benzene. Okay, C2H5. If the question is what are the catalysts used for Friedel-Crafts alkylation or Friedel-Crafts acylation, the answer is aluminum chloride. Okay, what reagents, what type of halide is used for Friedel-Crafts alkylation? Alkyl halide is used. Okay, now Friedel-Crafts acylation means acyl groups enters in the benzene ring. Friedel-Crafts alkylation means alkyl groups enters in the benzene ring. Okay, now the reaction is देखो, when benzene is treated with alkyl halide or methyl chloride in presence of AlCl3, Lewis acid it is also known as Lewis acid, get methyl benzene or toluene, its general name is toluene. This reaction is known as Friedel-Crafts alkylation. When benzene is treated with alkyl halide, here X is equal to Cl and R is equal to CH3, this one is known as methyl chloride, and anhydrous AlCl3, then CH3 groups enters in the benzene rings and we get methyl benzene, that is also known as toluene. Okay, this one is Friedel-Crafts alkylation. And Friedel-Crafts acylation, when benzene is treated with acetyl chloride or acetyl chloride in presence of anhydrous AlCl3 as a catalyst to form acyl benzene or acetophenone, this reaction is called Friedel-Crafts acylation. Okay, now this one is acyl group. Okay, this acyl groups enters in the benzene ring and we get COCH3, and we may also write in this way or in this way. Okay, this one is acetophenone. Now use of benzene. Benzene is widely used for the preparations of, you also know, toluene, also benzene sulfonic acid, for the preparation of nitrobenzene, for the preparations of chlorobenzene, for the preparations of aniline, okay, phenol, etc. are also used for the preparations of insecticides. কীট পতঙ্গ দ্বারা ব্যবহার করা হয়, ঠিক আছে, for insecticides like DDT, dichlorodiphényl trichloroethane, and benzene hexachloride, যেটা which is known as BHC, which is also known as gamaxine. Benzene hexachloride is also known as gamaxine. Insecticide. Benzene is widely used for the preparation of various compound like this, aniline, nitrobenzene, phenol, okay, and also used for the preparations of insecticides like DDT and benzene hexachloride, etc. Okay, now the important questions from this topic. Write the reagent for Friedel-Crafts reaction. Then answer is right catalyst. What catalyst is used for Friedel-Crafts reaction? We know aluminum chloride. Okay, AlCl3. Answer is AlCl3 is used as a catalyst. And reagent, what is the reagent for Friedel-Crafts reaction? Reagent is benzene and alkyl halide, RX or ROX. Okay, alkyl halide or acyl halide or alkyl halide. Okay, mention reactant and product. It is also known as reactant, sorry. and this one is product when ethyl benzene or methyl benzene is formed. Is reagent is anhydrous AlCl3, okay. Reactant is this benzene plus Rx or ROX, and product is this. This is the answer to this question, okay. Catalyst is aluminum chloride AlCl3. Reagent is anhydrous AlCl3 also. For Friedel Crafts reaction, mentioned reactant is this one is reactant, and also product is this, okay. Now the next question, how benzene is chlorinated. Benzene is chlorinated, you already know. Chlorination, when benzene is treated with chlorine in presence of diffuse sunlight, then hydrogen atom of benzene is replaced by chlorine atom and get chlorobenzene. This is known as chlorination of benzene. What are the reagents to nitrate benzene, or what do you mean by nitration of benzene? These two questions are same. The answer is always same, okay. What are the reagents to nitrate benzene? Benzene and nitrating reagent I have already discussed. Nitrating agents means concentrate HNO3 and concentrate H2SO4. This is nitrating agent. When benzene is nitrated against concentrate HNO3 and H2SO4 at 50 to 60 degrees centigrade, then nitrobenzene is formed. This reaction is known as nitration, okay, of benzene. What do you mean by sulphonation? Sulphonation also, you know, sulfonyl group is enters in the benzene ring, that is sulphonation. When benzene is heated at 80 degrees centigrade in presence of concentrate H2SO4, then sulfonyl groups enters in the benzene ring and we get benzene sulfonic acid. This is known as sulfonation of benzene, okay. Describe the Friedel Crafts alkylation and Friedel Crafts acylation. I have already discussed how benzene is prepared from phenol. When phenol is distilled with zinc dust, when কিভাবে phenol থেকে benzene তৈরি করবে, when how would you prepare benzene from phenol? When phenol is distilled in presence of zinc dust, then benzene is formed, okay. Now my topic is complete, okay. Next day I will discuss about